Yeah, that freaking went sideways.
Merry Christmas.
Our traffic control national barricade should be here real soon.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem. And just so I'm aware, does that mean traffic control can start setting up at 9:30?
So they can set up their signs.
Oh,
they
great.
Can't take the lane until 9:30.
Great. And then at 9:30, once it's closed, that's when we can fire up a chainsaw and go to work.
Yep.
Great. He was just up here telling me we can't start till 9:30. If you put forward a little bit, I think there's a really good place to park. I just haven't been down there. I don't know what the turnaround's like.
All right.
So I think we're gonna park right here. What's up, Jesse? What's up, Arnie?
What's he looking like?
I'm just thinking those grapples are probably behind you. Should we kind of?
We have one grapple.
Oh, only one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's Russ.
A job where we get to YouTube it?
One.
One, yeah. Oh, that's right, the Capitol Hill one.
Yep.
With the elm tree, yeah.
Yep.
So we're hoping to film this one. We're trying to get more work over on the east side. We love it over here.
Oh, yeah.
And so, yeah, this is going to be a good one. Oh, nice. They're blocking our lane. Cool. Hey, morning. Nice. Looking good. So we're the tree company you guys are working for. The city did come out and say they didn't want the lane blocked till 9:30.
Right in front of me.
Perfect. Thank you. Huge shout out. We love you, National Barricade. Thank you so much for making our job site safe and recognizable for everybody. You know, they're in a hurry. They're trying to get to work. You know, picking up the kids, dropping the kids off, all that stuff. So thank you, National Barricade, keeping our crew safe. Thank you. Okay, we gotta go.
Yeah, I don't think I can get under that. I didn't think you were actually going to go through there.
Good morning out there. Thanks so much for watching today. We've got a really good one. We're over on the east side. We love it here. This is Redmond. This is Redmond Way, a really busy thoroughfare. And we're working in what's called the right-of-way here for the city of Redmond. There's a number of hazardous cottonwood trees along here. Beautiful trees in their own right. But when they're overhanging a lane of traffic and possibly dead or declining, that's something we want to manage. And we manage it through careful and safe tree removal. So follow along today as we safely remove trees along a really busy road and as well next to an apartment building. Thanks for watching. Watch your step here. These roots are crazy. So I found 316.
That's 320.
And that's not, yeah, we're not taking that one. So what are we looking? We're looking for 319 and 321. And Russell knows where to go. Yeah, there's some down here. Hey, nice. Hey, you're just gonna nose in there, put your hazards on, and wait. But you're in the right spot. Just nose into that where you're going. So look at that. This is our first tree that we're assessing for safety, and then we'll be removing it. What's really cool about these trees is a consulting arborist has already spent the time, come out, and made a determination that they are unsafe. They've also cataloged them with a number, and then made a report for us to follow. So right here, let's take a look at this. So this number tag is great. It's 321. We love you as a tree. We appreciate all the shade and good benefits you've had over the years. But today is the day that we're going to remove you, because if left by itself, there's a high likelihood that this tree would outgrow its own strength and fall on that apartment building. You can see it's called a strong, heavy lean. And that lean is in direct direction of where kids play, things like that. So let's check some other trees out. This one has a flag. Interesting, we have to be careful with what we do. This tree is 322. 322 is not on our list. So even though I think, long term it probably makes sense to remove that, it's leaning over traffic, we're gonna focus on 321.
Okay, ready?
I wanted to do a basket to the block, but the am steel was so thick that I had to girth hitch it.
Okay.
So just one eye is
Okay.
through it, but
Yeah.
it's really good.
Cool.
You do have that. Is that so? You went around that lead and then.
I tied the two leads essentially together.
Yeah.
That back lead closest to the apartment is stone cold dead, and I didn't want to pull it because
Yeah.
it could break.
Yeah, you do have some good weight in that first lead.
So yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah. I'm going.
This is way more fun than piecing it out. Got the dogwood down. It looked like a big dogwood.
Biggest Pacific dogwood I think I've ever seen or worked on around.
Dude, those are heavy as hell.
Oh my, it was rejecting my spurs as much as it could. I didn't practice cut on anything.
Cool. Thanks.
Notice any nicks in the feet.
Yeah, I think we hit a fence yesterday with a 42, but different truck. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a big old maple. I mean, not really, but sort of. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, cool. Actually, it's on the ground, so that's all I need. Okay. Yeah, I will say it is leaning really, definitely towards the bucket. So we're gonna need you to pull. Feel that line. How is it? Okay, okay, cool. So I'm gonna put in my face cut, and then when I'm on the back, I'm probably gonna tell you, Keaton, just ease ahead. Okay. But I did feel the whole thing move. So these roots, like you could pull me over right now and that wouldn't be good. So, oh yeah, and look at, there's a puddle of water at the base. So saturated soils. Just keep that tension. Let's not shock load this thing anymore. So I've got my good looking face. Real nice wood here. Solid. Big back lean though. How about a little more? Little more, little more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Shh. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Shh. Dang it. Yeah, that freaking went sideways. Look at that. Look at that hinge. I'm thinking maybe I should have told you to hit the gas pedal. I'm thinking if I would have cut from the bottom, it would have actually, we would have had it. So, I'm sorry guys, that's a mess. Man, that was awesome. Big maple here, fat hinge, pulling with a truck. You know, our redirect was right there, hinge. The favor of this tree, it followed the favor pretty heavily. That's for sure. But look at this wood, pretty punky on the outside. Beautiful old tree. So right now, what I'm gonna do is take some time. We're gonna carve this up to make it look like a habitat snag. And we're even gonna leave part of that branch so we can give nature an opportunity to make their homes or nest in this. Thanks for watching. Oh, this isn't too bad. This isn't bad. Where are we headed after this tree?